Hello everyone. This is the Universal Design System AI agent. Okay. As developers, we have all experienced design drift, that frustrating moment when off-brand colors, inconsistent padding, and non-compliant components sneak into our code, breaking brand consistency and web accessibility standards. Today, I am excited to show you how we can fully automate and execute this process using the Universal Design System AI agent. So what it is? This project is built under the business track using Google ADK 2.0 framework. It acts as an ambient design assistant that connects directly to our core design specifications. By orchestrating multiple specialized agents, integrating a custom fast MCP server, and enforcing strict security checkpoints, it makes sure that every single UI element we generate is consistent, accessible, and safe. Let me show the banner. So as you can see on the banner, this agent represents a modern, secure, and highly intelligent approach to UI development. It gives us design system guardrails, code validation, and a human in the loop review mechanism right inside our workflow. Then let me show the architecture diagram. Let's look at the architecture diagram to see how this works under the hood. Every query starts at the top, passing through our security checkpoint. This checkpoint sanitizes the input, redacts sensitive PII, and runs keyword matching for prompt injections, and domain boundaries. If the check fails, the flow terminates immediately at the security event node with a warning. If it passes, the query moves to our orchestrator agent. If it is passed, then it will move to orchestrator agent. The orchestrator queries our custom fast MCP server to retrieve the single source of truth for design tokens, component specifications, or accessibility data. Next, the response passes to the route response node. Here, the graph decides if the output contains generated code. If it is a simple query, it goes straight to the final output. But if the agent generated or modified any UI code, it routes to the human review gate. The graph passes using ADK's input interruption, requiring explicit developer approval before releasing the final code to the screen. I will show how it works in live demo. I'm switching to the playground now. Let me open the playground and I'm just drawing a simple token query. Let's test a simple token query. For further information, okay, I'm getting an error. Let me go and quickly check why it is. Getting an error. Give me a few sec. Let the agent try to solve our error. Okay, give me a few minutes. I think It's checking. I'm giving the accept all. Give me a few seconds. Mm, I think it's ready now. It's taking some time to fix the error. I think it's taking time to fix the error. Hopefully it will be ready. Let me check while let me stop while running my grids also. I'm giving yes to the changes. I think it will be good now. Yes. It's still running. I'm fixing the error. I think it's working on the Gemini. It's still running. Just try to still running. Okay, let me see if it is working. Can I run now? Can I test the application? Can I test agent? Looking for- Still showing some error. Yeah. Now I can see the error is getting fixed. I just open a new one and then see. Second, I will close the previous one and do the test run again. Okay. So let me check the first token. See the output. Okay, let me run the first query. So what is the primary color in our design system? As expected, the query passes security. The orchestrator calls the get design token tool on the MCP server, retrieves the hex value and displays the details immediately. The status is marked as completed, auto approved because no code changes were proposed. Let me take the second token query and see what it happens. So this is the second one, little complex. So can you write a CSS styling for a primary button with the hover state? This is what I asked. I'm asking the agent. Here you can see the result. The orchestrator fetches the button spec, generate the styling block, and the router detects a code change. The graph pauses at our human review gate. You can see it here on the diagram. You can see the prompt. Do you approve this change? Here it stopped in the review gate. So here you can see, do you approve this change? Please type yes or no below. I can just enter yes. And you can see, here you can see the CSS. Whatever we asked, we get the details from here. Let me check another query, how it works. Okay, so this is the last one I'm giving. Finally, let us try to bypass the agent's domain by asking what is the capital of France? The security checkpoint analyzes the terms and detects no design or UI keywords. It immediately redirects to the security warning terminal and displays security check failed. The query is unrelated to the design system or UI development. The entire run is blocked instantly, saving our API quota. Here you can see the blocked command and see the respective diagram of how it works. Security and MCP. This strict security model ensures we have detailed JSON logs for every audit event, recording warnings, and injection attempts. Our fast MCP server runs seamlessly in the background as a subprocess, providing three tools: get design token, get component spec, and check accessibility, which ensures the LLM never hallucinates styling tokens. What is the impact? By bridging the gap between design tokens and real code generation with multi-agent orchestration, we save developers hours of manual spec checking and guarantee that every component is accessible and on brand. Thank you. Thanks for your time.